Hi friends, welcome back to AmmusCuisine. Today we are going to see about carrot juice. Let's start the recipe. Ingredients for carrot juice. I am going to use a vegetable chopper. If you don't have chopper, you can use knife for cutting. It's easy to use and very simple. Let's chop the carrot one by one. See, our chopped carrots are ready. Now we are going to grind our carrots. Now pour half glass of water to grind. Now grind it well. See, now it has grind well. Now we are going to filter it. Now separate the carrot pure from it. Now we are going to grind the chopped coconuts. And again we are going to pour a half glass of water and grind it well. Now our coconut milk is ready. Again we are going to separate the coconut milk pure from it. Now carrot pure and coconut pure is ready. Now we are going to grind them well. Before that, we are going to add some sugar for taste and elaichi. Let's grind it well. Yeah guys, now our carrot juice is ready. Let's serve it. If you like this special carrot juice, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to AmmusCuisine. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you get all notifications. Let's see you in the next video. Bye.